Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add something to your story on Messenger. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should click on the stories button down below on the right side of the screen. Tap on add to story. Here you can choose from two options, either camera or text. So if you tap on camera you will be able to take a picture or record a video. You can select a photo or video from your gallery. You can see the videos here, or you can also add the text by clicking on the text option. Type in something, you can select the color, the font, you can add the drawing and so on. So when you are done, click on in this case you can edit your video. Tap on share now and then you will add it to your story. That will appear here at this section. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.